Hey everybody, welcome back to a new episode of $1000 Guy. Today we're going to be showing you something that we've been working on the Rustaholic channel and Leon's Garage Adventures. This is Leon's 1955 GMC 370. It is a, well, dually, as you can see. It's sitting on a 2011 bus frame. Has a bunch of mods done to it. Not super important. Well, what is important is that we are taking it for a drive. Now, I haven't been in this thing for a long time since it was able to drive because it's been through a couple motors now.
3 transmissions.
Yeah, 3 transmissions. This is the current configuration. It is a LBZ Duramax. I don't know what kind of power specs it's got. I don't know if it's super stock. So
I mean, stock with like some piping and stuff.
Yeah, some basic upgrades, but nothing to the tune, right? It's all
not yet.
Right.
So we did up pipes, manifolds, the Y bridge and stuff like that, and the race plug for the fuel rail. But we're gonna get it turned up, so
yeah,
sooner or later.
So the last time I drove in this thing, it was very limited. I mean, it putted around, but it couldn't really function as a normal vehicle. But that's all changed now.
Me with my vice grip throttle pedal.
That's definitely OSHA certified, and it doesn't have a floor in it yet.
It did fall, like the pedal fell last time I was driving it like that.
Yeah, I saw you.
I don't know how good it is.
Hand throttle driving it home. So I got these sunglasses because the roof tends to fall down and the road tends to come up through the ground. So let's take it for a test drive. Oh, you didn't fix the starter yet?
No, not yet. I need to. So it wasn't the neutral safety, I don't know what it was. I have to trace it down and see. So we're gonna have to switch the transmission pad. I dug up your driveway. That's what that was. Oh, okay. Also, I need to lower the pedals. They're way too high.
That was almost 50 in a couple seconds.
It feels so weird though. Yeah. Because it picks up so quick.
Yeah.
I definitely had to drop in my gut feeling at the seat for 5 seconds.
Oh, not the throttle again. Too much power.
Hold on, let me
Yep. Definitely does rolling burnouts.
I wasn't trying to hit it that hard near all the houses, but it's hard to control with your hand.
Yeah, I bet.
Put my vice grips over so they don't fall off the floor.
Oh, that'd be a shame.
Alright, one last look.
Scoots Magoots is reborn.
That's like the most I've beat on it, honestly.
Alright, we'll get it back to the house.
Do you like my 15 different
So
I'm like, what is that noise?
The lift
pump's still going.
So what has to be said, besides the fact that it's, you know, way faster than you think it's going to be, is that it keeps pulling.
Yeah, it doesn't stop.
No, it doesn't stop. It's like, okay, you get that feeling in your chest and then it just keeps coming. And that's what she said. So, and probably the second best part about it is that it's not really tuned yet.
Oh, it'll make quite a bit more once it's tuned. Yeah. So the stock LBZ is 360 horse and like 550 foot-pounds. And tuned, it's like 500 horse and like 800 foot-pounds.
Yeah.
So could you imagine 300 more foot-pounds?
Right, doing rolling burnouts on turkey rod run, towing that.
So the goal
this.
is this hooked to the trailer.
Yep.
And then the Bel Air behind it, and then at like 40 or 50 miles an hour just rolling. That's all I want to do in life.
Yep.
I can die after that. Andrew's gonna scrap all my trucks.
It's true. All right. Well, I hope that was enjoyable for you guys.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah, I enjoyed
Even
it.
the hand.
So I can still feel like it's been a while since I've been in something that was kind of quick.
Yeah.
But it's not the same level of Datsun, but it's the same happy feeling I get from the Datsun.
Yeah. It's definitely impressive. Like you put this against it. Even a turbo LS, it's like that thing moves.
Yeah, I can see your infatuation with the Duramax.
Yeah. Well, because you rode in that thing, and that's probably 7,000 or 7,500 pounds, and it makes 5 more horsepower factory than what this does. But this is like I would guess 4,000, 4,500 pounds maybe. 4,000 maybe.
Which is pretty.
It's pretty
good, yeah. All right, so if you guys want to see more content like this, make sure to follow Leon's Garage Adventures or Rustaholic, our new channel, where you can see more about the Turbo Nova, or the Turbo Bel Air, or the Turbo this, or the Turbo this. Everything's got a turbo.
Andrew said this morning, hey, are you sure this thing got to get turboed? I'm like, I don't know how to build it the other way.
It's like, it's getting turboed. That's it. That's all there is.
It's just where we're going to put the turbo.
Yeah.
Basically.
Yeah, if you want to see that on a future episode, follow Rustaholics or Leon's Garage Adventures. Again, they will be linked down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next episode. Hold on, I gotta get all the roof out of my shoes. Yep.